We're unboxing an icon, a legend. Like I said, a legend, an icon. How I haven't got a pair of these already is crazy. The New Balance 574. 574. The New Balance 574. Originally dropped on our sexy asses in 1988. Reissued in 2003. This sneaker is like the god of all New Balances. This is like the go-to for most people when it comes to New Balance. It's their most popular selling silhouette. It comes in like pretty much any color you can think of. And if you can't find a color, guess what? You can customize it to your own liking. Their possibilities are endless, man. You know what I'm saying? They are endless. They are endless, bruh. And believe it or not, this is my first pair because I'm insane. Now, when I say my first pair, I don't mean my first pair ever. My first pair as an adult. Because, you know, when man was younger, parents be gracing man with the kicks in it. Big ups to my plug when I was younger, aka my parents, you know what I'm saying? So, when I was younger, my parents did used to grace me with these bad boys, the 574s. As I grew up, I gravitated towards the 1500, as you guys already know. I'm a big 1500 lover. So, as a grown up, whenever I had some dosh and I was trying to get myself some New Balances, I was always like, what's popping in the 1500 section? So no matter what time of year it is, if I was trying to get some sneakers and I was getting New Balance, I'd always be looking for 1500s every time, even in the sales section. So how do I end up with these? As you guys probably already know, because like it's no secret, I tend to do quite a little bit of work with New Balance. Thank you very much, New Balance. You guys are the best. So with that being said, this year they're all about not re-celebrating, but really celebrating the 574 because it is their most popular sneaker and it is held in such high esteem by New Balance lovers everywhere. I got an email from the good people at Gung Ho. They were like, yo, these just rolled in. Would you like a pair? Being that I don't have a pair of 574s, I thought, you know what? Yes. And especially in this like dope blue. Woo! Can't go wrong. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. And you know, gotta have that end cap, so yeah. So personally, I'm loving these. The great thing about these is they're like slightly wider on the toe. I've got narrow feet, so it makes no difference to me. But I know that loads of people love them because they are slightly wider on the toe box compared to other sneakers. I mean, if you look at that, you can see it's slightly wider on the toe box. But I would say if you're getting them, get them true to size because they fit like a dream, baby. Loving these. Here's some on feet. And there you have it, man. Some on feet of these bad boys. I am digging these. These are perfect for like, you know, you got that jeans with a rolled up look, or you're going for, you know, the nice jogging bottom vibe. Either one works. This is a dope sneaker. I don't think you need me to go into all the technology and all that good stuff in this bad boy because let's be honest, this sneaker's been around for yonks. It's been around for years. Since 1988, bro. Everybody knows this. Anybody who loves New Balance sneakers knows about this. I don't need to give you a history lesson. And in all honesty, my history lesson would probably suck because I don't ever pay attention. I don't remember dates. All I know is it swaggy or not? I'm all about aesthetics, baby. Does it look good? And it looks good, baby. So there you have it. Quick unboxing. Drop something in the comment section. Let me know what you know. Give me your feelings on these bad boys. Are you a lover of the 574 or not? These bad boys are the classics as well. I mean, look at that. Boom. the classic, baby. Baby. Woo! And obviously these have been protected. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. As always, if you're returning, big ups to you. Thank you so much for doing this with me. Thanks for staying till the end. If you stumbled across this and you're like, yo, I like this guy, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe at the end. It's always a good time when we do this together. Follow me on Instagram. It's Llomotes. LLOMOTES. The links will be below. Extra vid website. I'm gonna go ahead and put the subscribe like here, right here. Hit it, hit it, hit it. And until next time, keep it sexy.